Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 2, Shlok from 61 to 66. Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 2, Shloka 61. तानि सर्वाणि संयमे युक्त आसीत् मत्परः वशे हि यस्येन्द्रियाणि तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिता. Essence: control of the senses is the root of true wisdom. The mind should be focused on Lord Krishna. When the senses are restrained, peace arises within. Without discipline, wisdom cannot remain steady. Devotion and self-control bring mental stability. Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 2, Shloka 62. ध्यायतो विषयान् पुंसः संगस्तेषु जायते संगात् संजायते कामः कामात् क्रोधो भी जायते. Essence: constant thinking of sense objects creates attachment. Attachment gives rise to desires. Unfulfilled desires lead to anger. Anger destroys peace and wisdom. True peace comes by focusing the mind on the divine. Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 2, Shloka 63. क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोहः सम्मोहात् स्मृति विभ्रमः स्मृतिभ्रंशात् बुद्धिनाशो बुद्धिनाशात् प्रणश्यति. Essence: anger gives rise to delusion. Delusion clouds memory and awareness. When memory fails, intellect is lost. The loss of intellect leads to downfall. Victory lies in conquering anger through wisdom. Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 2, Shloka 64. रागद्वेषवियुक्तैस्तु विषयानिन्द्रियश्चरन् आत्मवशैर्विधेयात्मा प्रसादमधिगच्छति. Essence: freedom from attachment and aversion brings balance. A wise person controls the senses and stays calm. Such self-control leads to true inner peace. Real wisdom lies in staying steady amidst pleasure and pain. Peace arises naturally from discipline and devotion. 2. Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 2, Shloka 65. प्रसादे सर्वदुःखाना हानिरस्योपजायते प्रसन्नचेतसो ह्याशु बुद्धिः पर्यवतिष्ठते. Essence: when the mind is peaceful, sorrow disappears. A calm heart brings steady wisdom. Serenity is the foundation of true knowledge. Freedom from anger and attachment brings joy. Peace is the fruit of devotion and self-control. Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 2, Shloka 66. Nasti buddhiryuktasya na chayuktasya bhavna न चाभाव्यतः शांतिर्शांतस्य कुतः सुखम. Essence: the undisciplined mind cannot have steady wisdom. Without focus, meditation is impossible. Without meditation, peace cannot exist. And without peace, happiness is impossible. True joy comes from discipline, devotion, and inner calm. To hear daily Bhagavad Gita shlokas with meaning, subscribe now. If you liked this shloka, please like and share with loved ones. Jai Shri Krishna.